Make a great choice today with the 2018 300. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, ventilated front seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.